How to install Blender on PC or laptop for free. In this comprehensive guide, I will guide you through the process of installing Blender on your PC or laptop at no cost. Blender, renowned for its capabilities in creating 3D computer graphics, is a free, open-source software that anyone interested in digital art should explore. Whether you're a beginner, eager to learn Blender, or an experienced user looking to reinstall, this tutorial will facilitate a smooth installation process on your Windows computer. Though it's noteworthy that Blender is also available for Mac OS, Linux, and can be added via Steam. To start the installation, open your web browser and visit Blender's official website, blender.org. It's crucial to download the software directly from the official site to ensure you're getting the legitimate free version. Upon arriving at the website, navigate to the top menu and click on the Download option. You'll see a prompt to download Blender. Select this to proceed. The installation file is approximately 318 megabytes, so ensure you have sufficient space and bandwidth before downloading. After the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer and open it to start the installation process. The installer will guide you through several steps. First, click Next to begin, then carefully read through the end-user license agreement. If you agree to the terms, select I agree to continue. The next step allows you to choose the installation directory. While the default location is typically recommended, you have the option to customize this according to your preferences. Proceed by selecting Next, then Install to initiate the software installation on your device. Once the installation concludes, click Finish to complete the setup. Blender can usually be found on the desktop, represented by its icon for easy access. If it's not visible, you can locate Blender by searching for it in the Start menu. Keep in mind, the initial launch of Blender might take slightly longer as it prepares its cache and prompts you for basic setup preferences, such as language selection, input style, and interface theme, which defaults to dark mode. By following these steps, you will have successfully installed Blender on your PC or laptop, ready to start exploring its vast potential in 3D modeling and animation. If you encounter any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll respond as quickly as possible. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Digital DIY Guide channel for more instructional content. Thank you for watching.